girl, you are Miss World. Take care of your people. Hot girl, you are. Take care of your.
Wagwan, Opal is well. So today is what, Thursday, the 24th of September. And today's video is going to be on dancehall veteran Macka Diamond, who I love to call by her original name, Lady Mackerel. But anyway, it's Macka Diamond versus Pretty Don. Pretty Don went on Lava show named Chat and Laugh. When it come on to that, really, it's only 5 people really make the show kick off, but we're not going to go into that. And she'll go hard. If you don't know Pretty Don, or know her, how she went with her personality and thing. So this is what she put on her Instagram, and then this is what Macka Diamond has to see in return to Pretty Don dragging her. Alright?
Well done. Mr. People, me not even wake up good. And when me take a start from last night, me see people tag me, about Lava show and this and that, but me not even there notice how I really bomber clat are going. Now you want to tell me, say, this dirty girl named Pretty Don, look how much you hear the text upon me, leave me alone, the blood clot Salamite girl. I would the blood clot, me sleep, no man, me rest, no man. I would the bomber clot deal. But the fuck you text upon me for dirty stinking Pretty Don? But the blood clot. That says some man don't forget no fucking up because I don't understand this. You come talk about sex tape and you have to say that. I want the blood clot are going. I want to go on over this bomber clot internet. Yo, Pretty Don, leave me alone because I never see my blood clot get mad at you know. You know, so tired, me fed up of the whole blood clot that I want, you know. Leave me alone in the head, dirty stinking girl, I want. Even me a fuck girl, man, I'm in a bed or the blood clot, you. Where you come send picture all about and send all about you. Hey, girl, don't get my bomber clot mad, you know. Hey, girl, I'm telling you, you never see me get mad in this, you know. You never see me get mad in this, you know. So leave me alone, you know. You leave, you notice, say. You notice, say, enough of you do my things. The whole blood clot that I call up me, and I do things over the net all well. I'm in a bomber clot, you know. You see that time, yeah? I'm going to deal with one on the wicked, you know. I'm going to tell you about the mama, you know. You understand? You now come blood clot, send out picture and send out this and send out that. Someone a dirty blood clot, dirty boy too. What wrong with that? Eh? My blood clot sell pussy or what? What? Me sell a pussy and sell a fuck and so what? I want the blood clot gonna leave me alone, you know. I'm telling someone never see me get mad yet, you know. You never see me get mad yet, you know. What is that girl, man? I know you in the blood clot bed, a dirty lesbian girl. Your tongue dirty and stink, but I want a blood clot suck from you. Hey, girl, leave me alone, you know, Pretty Don. I want a bomber clot deal. I'm telling you something, me never in an argument with a girl on the net, you know. I hear me, hey, girl, anyone me see, you know. Anyone me see you. Dirty blood clot. You can't even leave people life alone. Look how the years on the text about me. Leave me alone, man. Sure, I'm tired of you know. I'm telling you something, I want different thing with them, you know. You don't even understand this thing, you know. Don't play with me, you know. This girl come blood clot. I see people tag me and I wonder, how about the blood clot this are going? Eh? But people are tagging me about love and this and I see my friend them tell me this and tell me. But I take it my joke because last time I have my different mission. No arms or thing with nobody. What is this girl, man? Dirty stinking Pretty Don. You talk to me bomber clot liar, you know. You talk to me liar, you know, dirty girl. I want to you. I don't love to go on, I couldn't want to come style people. I'm tired of you now. But the blood clot takes upon me, look what years now, it takes upon me. I say, my time now, no. My time for dealing with wicked, no. Hey, girl, I can deal with wicked girl, boy. I never know for blood clot call, you know. Girl, boy, woman, I don't know dog shit. Animal, what? I don't know for call, you know. Hey, girl, leave me alone, you know. I know girl want to come argue with me, the whole I want to go suck on yourself, you know. And leave me alone. You think I'm here first to take people, man? I'm here first to take people, man. You know, leave me alone.